We are done with part 8 of basic task. Now let us start off with part 9 of a basic task, that is editing profile. Sketcher Workbench provides a set of functionalities for editing 2D geometry. So imagine we have a line. So modifying elements using coordinates, double click on the line and we'll get the line definition. So let us have this as 40, vertical as -10, and we can see that the line is shifted from here to here. So this is how we modify element coordinates. Now transforming profiles, let us have a profile like that. Here, this and this. So this is our profile. Since it's not constrained, we can click on the line and move the profile like that or like this, or even click on the point and move the dimensions. This is transforming profile by moving. Now let us transform by using constraints. So this is constrained to 49.608 and this is constrained to 57.41 and this is constrained to 18.432. Now let us change this into 45, this into 50. So we can change it or transform it using constraint by just double clicking on the arrows. So this is how we transform using constraints. Now for performing auto search on profiles, imagine we have an elongated hole like that. So this is also not constrained. So by clicking on this line, clicking on edit and auto search, we can get the resulting auto searched profile. So this can happen with hexagon also. Imagine we have an hexagon and a line from here to here. Now we can select this, edit, auto search. You can see just the hexagon has got selected but not the line in between because the profile is in hexagon. Now for editing a spline, let us draw a spline, something like that. We have a spline. When we double click on that, we get the spline definition. So let us select the control point 2. We have add point after, add point before and replace point. When we click on add point before and select another point on the curve, we can see that this is point 2 and there's a point created before that. Let me select point 3. When I click add point after and click here, you can see there's a point created after the control point 3. Or replace point, let me click on point 4 and click on the grid. You can see that this point is gone here. So this is how we add point after, add point before and replace a point and click on OK. Another option of closing a spline, we double click on the spline. There's an option close spline. You can see that this point control 1 and the control point 7 is joined. So this is called close point. And to remove a point, we click on the control point here, which we don't want, and then we click on remove point. You can see that that point is removed. And control point 9, remove, control point 8, remove. And then defining tangent, double click, click on a point. Let's double click, select a control point, click on tangent. You can see the tangent of that control point, or click on control point 5, click on tangent, and we can reverse the tangent to show in the opposite direction. And now editing connecting curves. Imagine we have two curves. One here, another here. Now using connecting curves, we select this and this. We get a spline there, and again using connecting curves, but this time continuity in a point from this point to this point. We can double click on this curve, control point 1, spline, tangent, curvature 1, and then second curve is control point this. We can see that this is changed. Tangent tension is changed. Now let us continuity of tangency, spline to, again you can see it is changed. So this is how you change the or edit the connecting curves. I hope you would have understood today's session.